Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm CA Anu Agarwal and today we will discuss that is advisory on the difference in the value table 8A and 8C of the GSTR-9. See, as the notification number 12 by 2024 as well as the notification 20 by 2024, there are some recommendation is done that the value in the table 8A that will come from the GSTR 2B. Earlier this year, this value is auto-populated from the GSTR 2A. See, there is a difference in the GSTR 2A and 2B. As we all know that 2A is the dynamic and 2B is the static. Dynamic and static means that in the 2A, if any invoices has been uh, updated in the GSTR 1, then it automatically will reflected in GSTR 2A on the real time basis. But meanwhile, in the 2B once it generated, then it cannot be changed. 2B is generated for every month, 14th of the succeeding month. Okay, so once the 2B is generated, then it cannot be updated. From the financial year 23-24, the value of the table 8A will be auto-populated from the GSTR 2B, right? So there are the lot of confusion that how to report the invoices value that is in table 8C. See, table 8A is auto-populated and we can't change the value of the 8A. We can only make changes in the table 8C. That's why this advisory is issue that how to report this difference, right? Because this GSTR 2B will contain the invoices which is pertain to financial year 22-23, as well as there are some invoices that are pertaining to 23-24, but it coming to our next year. So how to report this all the values in the table 8C? Okay, 8C means that that is the input tax credit which is available to us for this financial year, but we have availed this ITC in the next year due to any reason. Okay, so we have to report this value manually in the GSTR 9. Regarding this all the scenarios, this advisory has been issued, so we will discuss one by one all the issues. Okay, so first is, so the issue number 1 is our invoice are pertaining to financial year 23-24, but the supplier has reported this invoice in the GSTR 1 after the due date of the March 24. See, the March return due date is 11th of April 2024 and they have updated in their GSTR 1 from 12 April 2024. So GSTR 2B for the March month will be reflected for the 14th of the April, but these invoices are the updated after the due date. So these invoices will not come in this GSTR 2B. So this part will be become a part of GSTR 2B of the next year. That's why we have to report this value in table 8C as well as in the table 13 of the GSTR 9. Okay, so we have to report this value in the table 8C and the table 13, right? Okay, okay, so we are proceeding for the issue number 2. Issue number 2 is pertaining that invoice is belonging to financial year 23-24 and ITC is claimed in same year and as well as the reverse in the same year, but we have reversed this ITC just because of payment is not done within 180 days. We know that there is a proviso to the section 16 that is basically for the condition for availing the ITC. So we have not made the payment within 180 days. That's why we have to reverse this ITC in the financial year 23-24 and we will claim this ITC in the next year. Then how to report this reclaimed ITC? This reclaimed ITC shall be the part of the table 6H of the GSTR 9. Okay, that should not be the part of table 8C or the 13. Moving to the next issue, issue number 3. In this issue, they are described that invoice is relating to 23-24, but हमें goods receive नहीं हुई है. Then we have claimed the ITC and reverts the ITC just because of the circular 170. See, as per the 170, we all know that the value in the GSTR 3B is auto populated from the GSTR 2B for every month. So, for being lined with this 4A, that is auto populated, we should first claim and then after reverse in the same GSTR 3B. So, ITC is reclaimed in the financial year 24-25. Here they are saying that we should report this ITC in the table 8C and the table 13. We have to report in all these in both table, that is table 8C and table 13 of the GSTR-9 of the financial year 23-24. Got it? Moving to the next issue, issue number 4. Here we will see that invoices are pertaining to financial year 22-23, that is previous year, and these invoices are reflecting in our GSTR to be in the 23-24. See, as we have discussed earlier in issue number 1, that is for the March 24, that GSTR supplier has amended their GSTR 1 after the due date of GSTR 1. So they will be reflecting the next year. Same will for the previous year also. That if their invoice are the updated by the supplier in their GSTR 1 after the due date of the March 23, then this will come in the GSTR 2B of the financial year 23-24. Right? So how to report these all invoices in the GSTR 9? So this invoice shall be report in the table 6, not in the table 8C and 13. See, we know that in the table 8C and the 13, we place only those values which are available to the same financial year, but we have availed in the next financial year up to a specified period. Okay. अगर हम ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमारा जो ITC है वो हमें 23-24 में अवेलेबल है, बट वी हैव टेकन दिस ITC अप टू October 24, ठीक है, देन वी विल पुट दिस ऑल द वैल्यूज इन द टेबल 8C and the table 13. But in this case, these invoices are the pertaining to previous year. Okay, so we just put this value in the table table 6 only. Okay. Moving to the last issue, issue number 5. Here they are saying that our invoice is pertaining to financial year 23-24. We have claimed and reversed this ITC in the 23-24, and we have also reclaimed this invoice in the 23-24. Means we have all done all the activity, that is ITC लिया, then reverse किया and re-avail भी हमने same financial year में किया. Then how to report this value in the GSTR 9? Should we report this reclaimed in the 8C or the 13? In this case, CBSE said that we should mention this value in the GSTR table 6 of the GSTR 9. Okay. So see, table 8C and 13 का concept आएगा ही नहीं क्योंकि this is not taken in the next year. ठीक है, तो we should report this value in the table 6 of the GSTR 9 जिसके अंदर हम current year का ITC report करते हैं. Now question is that how this ITC should be reflected in the table 6 of the GSTR 9. See, there is the one press release by the CBIC on the 3rd of July that the value should not be duplicate in the 6B as well as the 6H. ओके, 6B के अंदर हम करंट ईयर का टोटल ITC लेते हैं एंड 6H के अंदर हम रिक्लेम्ड क्रेडिट लेते हैं अदर देन 6B. अगर 6B के अलावा कोई और रिक्लेम क्रेडिट है तो हमें उसमें मेंशन करना चाहिए. सो देयर शुड बी रिपोर्टिंग इन ओनली वन रो. और क्लियरली एडवाइजरी ऑल्सो शेज दैट क्लेम एंड रिक्लेम शुड बी ओनली वन रो. हमें इसको टेबल 7 के अंदर भी रिवर्सल नहीं रिपोर्ट करना है, हमें ओनली 6B के अंदर मेंशन करना है दैट दिस इज द ITC we have claimed. Okay, so these are the issues which are the captured by the CBIC regarding this difference of table 8A and 8C of the GSTR 9. Hope this video will help you to how to fill this difference in the GSTR 9. Okay.